Good morning, students. I'm greeting all the students of 4A, B, and C for the new section 2020 and 2021. I am Mrs. Sudhia, going to teach science for you this year. Hope you are all enjoyed the holidays. Now, let us have some studies about your subject for the next academic year 2020 and 2021. I'm going to ask you some general questions. That is, what is our body made up of? Name the parts of the body. Good, you can able to name your parts. Now, anybody can able to name the internal organs which are found inside? Yes, good. You're all very good children. Now I think you can able to guess what is the title or the heading of the lesson. Anybody can able to guess and tell? Yes, good. You are correct. You are going to learn about my body. There are some body parts we can see, such as eyes, nose, ears, hands, legs, etc. These parts are called as external parts. External parts means body parts or organs outside our body which we can see are called external organs. Example, eyes, ears, nose, hands, legs, etc. Look at the slide and you can able to understand the different parts, the external organs. That is head, ear, chin, shoulder, arm, hand, leg, ankle, toes, hair, eye, nose, lips, neck, chest, stomach, thumb, fingers, knee, foot, heel, etc. These are all called as external organs. Once again, I will tell body parts or organs outside our body which we can see are called external organs. Next, let me know internal organs. Internal means inside. Body parts or organs inside our body, we are unable to see them, are called internal organs. Once again, I will repeat. Body parts or organs inside our body, we are unable to see them, are called internal organs. Example, brain, lungs, heart, stomach, kidneys, bones and muscles, etc. Now all of you look at this picture. Human body, that is eye, tooth, lungs, liver, kidneys, stomach, heart, brain, etc. These are all called internal organs. Now I think you're all clear. What do you mean external organ? What do you mean internal organ? Internal means inside. External means outside. By this word, you can able to recognize the organs which are found outside the body are called external organs. Organs which are found inside the body are called internal organs. In this lesson, let us learn more about brain, lungs, stomach, heart, kidneys, and bones and muscles. What are the organs we are going to learn? Let me repeat. We are going to learn about the internal organs like brain, lungs, stomach, heart, kidneys, bones and muscles. Let us start the first internal organ, that is brain. You can look at the picture. This is the picture of a brain. Now let us know. It is an important organ of our body. It's very, very important. It is protected by skull. It is protected by skull. It has three main parts. Brain is having three main parts. You can look at the picture and you can able to understand. That is forebrain. That is front portion of the brain is called forebrain. That is cerebrum. The middle portion, midbrain, the midbrain is called cerebellum. The middle portion, that is midbrain, is called cerebellum. Hindbrain, that is the backside of the brain, is called medulla. The backside of the brain is called medulla. Once again, I'll repeat the three main parts of the brain, that is forebrain or cerebrum, midbrain or cerebellum, hindbrain or medulla. Brain is the commanding center of our body. All the functions of the body is controlled only by the brain. So it is called commanding center of our body. It helps us to think and perform various actions. The imagination, our learning, memory power, all these are controlled only by the brain. The human brain weighs about 1.3 kilogram. The weight of the human brain is 1.3 kilograms. That is 1 kilogram, 300 grams. I'll repeat all the points once again. You have to look at the picture also. Brain. Brain is an important organ of our body. It is protected by skull. It has three main parts: forebrain or cerebrum, midbrain or cerebellum, hindbrain or medulla. It is a commanding center of our body. It helps us to think and perform various actions. The weight of the brain is 1 kilogram and 300 grams. Now let us learn about lungs. A pair of spongy sac-like organs located in the chest. Lungs are pair. Pair means two. One is located on the right side, one is located on the left side. A pair of spongy sac-like organs. They are located in the chest. The function of the lungs is help us to breathe. Lungs help us to breathe. In breathing, there are two stages. One is breathe in. Another one is breathe out. Breathe in means inhalation. Breathe out means exhalation. First, let us know about breathe in. When we breathe in, we take in oxygen from the air through the nose and passes to the lungs. Once again, I'll repeat. When we breathe in, we take in oxygen from the air through the nose and passes to the lungs. The lungs expand in the position. When the air goes inside the lungs expand in the position. Next, second stage is breathe out. When we breathe out, we give out carbon dioxide from the lungs through the nose into the air. Once again, I'll repeat. When we breathe out, we give out carbon dioxide from the lungs through the nose into the air. The lungs contracts in the position. When breathe out, the lungs contracts. You can look at the slide and you can be able to understand what do you mean expands, what do you mean contracts. Two stages in breathe in and breathe out. Once again, I'll explain about lungs. A pair of spongy sac-like organs located in the chest. They help us to breathe. When we breathe, we take in oxygen from the air through the nose and passes to the lungs. The lungs expands in the position. Next, when we breathe out, we give out carbon dioxide from the lungs through the nose into the air. The lungs contracts in the position. Third internal organ we are going to learn, that is the stomach. It is a J-shaped bag found below the lungs. It is a J-shaped bag found below the lungs. The function of the stomach is breaks down food items and gives us energy. It breaks down food items and gives us energy. It contains special juices to break down food into energy. Inside the stomach, so many enzymes are there. They are called as digestive juices. They help them to break down the food and convert into energy. Stomach is one of the organs associated with digestion. When you go to higher class, you learn more about stomach. Once again, I'll tell stomach is the J-shaped bag found below the lungs. It breaks down food items and gives us energy. It contains special juices to break down food into energy. Okay, now come to the fourth internal organ. We are going to learn, that is the heart. Heart is a pumping organ. It is a pumping organ. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. Even if you get a small hurt in your toes or when you get a small hurt on your head, you can able to see blood is ooze out from that small hurt. By that you can came to know blood is circulating all throughout our body. It lies in between the lungs, almost in the center of the chest. The location is, it is located in the chest. It is made up of muscles. It is made up of muscles. The heart beats about 22 times per minute. In 1 minute, the heart will beat for about 72 times. The heart is having 4 chambers. They are right atrium or right auricle and right ventricle. Again, another chamber is called left atrium or left auricle and left ventricle. When you go to higher class, you will learn about heart and the circulatory system very elaborately. Once again, I want to repeat, heart is the pumping organ. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. It lies between the lungs, almost in the center of the chest. It is made up of muscles. The next organ we are going to learn, that is kidneys. We have 2 kidneys which are bean-shaped organs. They purify blood by filtering excess water and toxins. Once again, I'll tell, we have 2 kidneys which are bean-shaped organs. They purify blood by filtering excess water and toxins. Let me know the 3 important parts of the kidneys. That is kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, and a small opening in the urinary bladder, that is called urethra. These are the important parts of kidneys. Once again, I repeat the parts of the kidneys. Kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. The next internal organ we are going to learn, that is bones and muscles. Our body is made up of bones and muscles. First, let us know about bones. Babies are born with 300 bones, but adulthood the number is reduced to 206. Once again, I'll repeat, babies are born with 300 bones, but adulthood the number is reduced to 206. Bones give us shape to our body. They are the frame for our body. The longest bone is the thigh bone. The smallest bone is stapes in the ear. Bones protect the internal organs of the body. If you want to have healthy bones, we have to take some healthy food like milk, cheese, and eggs. Once again, I'll tell about bones. Babies are born with 300 bones, but adulthood the number is reduced to 206. Bones give us shape. They are the frame for our body. Bones protect the internal organs of the body. Longest bone is the thigh bone and the smallest bone is the stapes in the ear. If you want to maintain healthy bones, you have to take healthy food. Next, about muscles. Muscles are the soft portion that covers our bones. They help to move different parts of our body by tightening or loosening like a rubber band. Human body has more than 600 muscles. The longest muscle is the thigh muscle. For strong muscle, we need to exercise and stay active. Once again, I'll tell about muscles. Muscles are the soft parts that cover our bones. They help us to move different parts of our body by tightening or loosening like a rubber band. Human body has more than 600 muscles. The longest muscle is the thigh muscle. For strong muscles, we need to exercise and stay active. I want to tell one amazing fact, that is 17 muscles are functioning while smiling. When you are smile, 17 muscles are functioning and 43 muscles are functioning while frowning. If you show your face in a different way, that is frowning, 43 muscles are used. So you have to smile and save energy. Hope you all enjoy this lesson. Now I want to tell some tips how to care your internal organs. How to care your internal organs. If you want to care your brain, you have to sleep for 8 hours. 8 continuous hours you have to sleep means you are carrying your muscles. Carrying your brain. Brain. If you want to control, sleep for 8 hours. If you want to carry your heart, you have to avoid fatty food and junk food. You have to eat normal food. Homemade cook means you are carrying your heart. Next, if you want to have good, normal, healthy stomach, you have to eat healthy food on time. On time means without delay, you have to take all the food, that breakfast, lunch, dinner, everything you have to take means you are carrying your stomach. If you want to carry your kidneys, you have to drink more water. Your parents are giving water for you to drink. Few children know they never drink all the water. They take very little water. Evening they will take it back to home. That's not good. If you want to care your kidneys, you have to drink more water. If you want to care your bones and muscle, means you have to exercise regularly. Regularly means don't exercise only during the holidays. Every day you have to have one particular time for exercise, and you have to exercise regularly, and you have to care your bones and muscles. That's all for this lesson. Thank you, students. Thank you.